Long vowel A. Long A can be spelled AI when it is inside a word, like words ending in AIL, or say ale. Words ending in ale, say ale. Read with me. P, ale, p, ale, pale, pale. S, ale, s, ale, sail, sail. R, ale, r, ale, rail, rail. Ale, ale, male, male. T, ale, t, ale, tail, tail. N, ale, ale, nail, nail. J, ale, j, ale, jail, jail.
Awesome, awesome.
Let's do this activity. Fill in the blanks with the correct letters to complete the words. Write letters M, N, P, R, S, or T. You may use your pad paper and write your answers there. Pause this video and start now. Let's check. Number 1, letter P. P, pale. Next, letter M, male. Letter T, tail. Letter R, rail. Letter S, sail. Letter N, nail. If your answers are correct, then
Fireworks!
words ending in A-I-R, or say air. Read with me. P, air, p, air, pear, pear. Air, air, hair, hair. Your turn.
Positively proud.
Long A can be spelled AE when it is inside a word, like words ending in AKE, or say ache. Words ending in ache, say ache. Let's read. B, ache, b, ache, bake, bake. ache, ache, cake, cake. L, ache, l, ache, lake, lake. R, ache, r, ache, rake, rake.
You put a smile on my face.
Next activity. Fill in the blanks with the correct letters to complete the words. Write letters B, C, L, and R. Use your pad paper and write your answers there. Pause this video and start now. Let's check. Number 1, letter C, K, cake. Letter R, rake. Letter L, lake. Letter B, bake. If your answers are correct, then
First rate.
words ending in age or say age, age. Read with me. Age, age, page, page. Age, age, cage, cage. Your turn.
Nice job.
Words ending in ate or say eight, eight. G, eight, g, eight, gate, gate. L, eight, l, eight, late, late. Your turn.
You are marvelous.
Words ending in ape or say ape, ape. Read with me. K, ape, k, ape, cape, cape. T, ape, t, ape, tape, tape. Your turn.
You put a smile on my face.
Words ending in ave or say ave, ave. Let's read. K, abe, k, abe, cabe, cabe. W, Abe, W, Abe, wave, wave. S, Abe, S, Abe, save, save. Your turn.
You're so cool.
Words ending in ACE, or say ace. Let's read. Ace, ace, face, face. R, ace, r, ace, race, race. L, ace, l, ace, lace, lace. Your turn.
Shining bright.
Activity 3. Write ace, abe, ape, or age in the blanks to complete the words. You may use your pad paper and write your answers there. Pause this video and start now. Let's check. Number 1, cave. Number 2, face. Number 3, gate. Number 4, cage. Number 5, cape. And number 6, wave. If your answers are correct, then
You are number 1.
long A can be spelled AY at the end of a word, like words ending in A. Say A. Let's read. D, A, day. B, A, bay. A, hay. L, A, lay. P, A, pay. R, A, ray. S, A, say. W, A, way.
Excellent. Don't forget to subscribe for more reading videos for children. Thank you. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Ephesians 6:1.